everyone, welcome back. So I'm going to do my Sephora Play Bag, and this is a $10 a month subscription. It is from Sephora, and it is all the products sold in Sephora. It's deluxe mini size samples that come in your bag. $10, like I said, every single month. That $10 that you spend goes to your like VIP account, so you can earn those 10 points. If you're wondering about my shirt, my mom was here doing my laundry and she was like, honey, your shirt's ripped. The collar just completely separated from the shirt. I'm so sorry, you're gonna have to throw this away. And I'm like, Mom, I bought it like that. She's like, behooved her too. She was like, why would you buy a shirt that was ripped? Like, I don't get it. And then now that I'm wearing it, I'm like, maybe I shouldn't have bought a shirt that was ripped. Maybe that does look stupid. But anyways, let's just go ahead and get into what I got in my Sephora Play Bag. Now, I love this bag. I purchased it with my own money. I think it's just great if you want a bunch of deluxe size samples. If I have the product, or if it's like a new product that just launched in Sephora, I love that I get it in a small size and I get to try it out, and then I can just go to Sephora to purchase it. So let's just start out. They have a Purifying Mud Mask. This is purifying and mattifying. I have never tried this, but I think this is supposed to be very similar to like Glam Glow. It smells very strong scented. So you're gonna pretty much get enough. I would say this is either for 1 to 2 uses. So you're gonna know if you want to purchase it within just using this, so that's nice. Perfect if you want to take it on a travel, like if you're going to be traveling and you want to take it for a travel and you have like a mask when you're traveling. Next up is from Bumble and Bumble. This is the thickening spray pre-styler. So it just says spray pre-styler onto damp hair, then blow dry and style for a bit. It just gives you a lot of thickness. I think I've tried this in the past and I do really like it. It's not a product that I would use on a daily basis. Just for me, I already feel like my hair is thin, but I have a lot of it, so I don't really need like any thickening products. But if you're someone who struggles with very fine hair and you don't have a lot of it, this might be good. Give your hair a little bit of zhazh or vavoom, most people say. Every single month they have a fragrance sample. I've only seen 1 month where they didn't give me one, and I was like, excuse me, where's my fragrance sample? So this one is the Victor and Rolf Flower Bomb perfume, and I think this is this the floral one? Nope, it's just regular Flower Bomb. I own this and it's a beautiful scent. Yep, love this one. That's like a classic perfume. When I first started YouTube, literally everyone was talking about that. We have a Professional Benefit Primer. This is a really great blurring primer. It fills in your pores. It makes your skin look really nice. If you haven't tried this, this is a really good sample size. I'm going to give this one to someone else because I do have a full size of that primer, and it is great. We have a Kat Von D Tattoo Liquid Liner. This is an excellent liquid liner. These small ones last literally forever. So far this is shaping up to be a really great bag, especially for someone who hasn't tried any of these products, because the last product is something really amazing. It's a tiny miniature Becca, so you can see like the size of my hand. Champagne Pop. So really beautiful highlighter. I have the full size of this, but what I love about this is that they actually give you a mirror inside this little sample. As you know, this is an extremely pigmented highlighter, so it's a beautiful champagne color. It looks so good on the cheekbones, and I know a ton of people that would just love to have a really great highlighter. I'm gonna give this to my niece, I think, because she has been asking me about the Jaclyn Hill Champagne Pop and I didn't have an extra one, but she's gonna love that one. So I'm gonna see her because I'm going to Michigan for a little bit for my nephew is actually getting married. Can you believe that I have a nephew that's old enough to get married? As my firstborn, because my brothers are much older than me. So it's my firstborn, like niece, nephew, my nephew. and he's getting married, so all my nieces and nephews and everyone are going to be at this wedding in Michigan, so I'm really, really excited about it. But I'm going to pass some of that makeup on to my niece. And yes, so if you guys are interested in your own Sephora Play Bag, I'm going to leave all the information down below. If you want to know the caliber of some of the other items offered in the Play Bag, I'm going to leave the link to the playlist of all of the videos that I've done opening my Sephora Play Bags, because I think I've done a video almost every single month. There have been a few months where I'm like, this bag sucks, but I should just do a video those months so you can see when the sucky months are. But anyways, if you guys get this bag and you got it this month, and I want to know what you think about it. What did you think? Let me know in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Mwah.